I talk with medical device and pharma companies on a regular basis, and some of the things that I hear from them is that the regulatory process is long, onerous, and unpredictable. And I'm wondering if you've heard that from the companies in your visit here, and what the FDA can do about that.
Well, we do hear the concern on both the drug side and the device side that companies are really concerned about increased clarity, consistency, and predictability of the regulatory process, and we are very committed to that as well. The FDA is a science-based regulatory agency with a public health mission to promote and protect the health of the public, and that involves a couple of important aspects. With respect to medical products, it's addressing safety and efficacy issues, but it's also helping to promote and facilitate innovative new products to address important medical care and public health needs. And so we are very eager to work with product sponsors and industry more broadly and other key stakeholders, including patients and consumers, to really identify what are the set of issues and concerns around the regulatory process, around our ability to really deliver products to people, and identify what are the appropriate solutions. So we are, taking a lot of steps currently, and I expect, we will continue to strengthen and extend those efforts to do what we can to streamline and modernize our regulatory systems with, a keen eye to the issues of increased transparency, increased predictability. But I think the other part of that that's important to recognize is that much of the regulatory uncertainty that people are concerned about is rooted in scientific uncertainty, that we are uncovering whole new realms of science. We are beginning to really understand mechanisms of disease in new ways. We are seeing emerging technologies that are unlike other technologies that we've been dealing with before, like nanotechnology and stem cells, and other emerging technologies. And so I think we have a unique opportunity and really obligation to work together as a scientific community, whether you're based in academia, industry, or government, to really develop our understanding of the science, really apply a regulatory science focus to some of our investments in science to develop the new knowledge and understanding and new tools and strategies that will really strengthen drug development and device development, as well as give us the new tools and insights that we need for the most effective and efficient regulatory process possible. So it's critically important that we think and act in new ways, that we pay attention to these kinds of concerns that we hear, but also take a clear-eyed look at what are some of the concerns grounded in, and it speaks to the importance of more collaboration and coordination of effort.